The primary one pretty ski is more easier. The video is down below. My YouTube, my Facebook, go and watch. This one I call it primary 2. You see the way I place it? You create like 5 to 6 pretty, then you now extend it. Just focus your eye on my hand. Focus your eyes, oh. Auntie, focus your eyes, oh. Sister, focus your eyes, oh. Gele, focus your eyes, oh. You can do it when you focus your eyes. Yes, on this my channel, we promote beauty. If you want to watch me, how we catch fun, I'm always on live on Facebook in case you are watching me from YouTube. Yes, you see the way I gather the 5 pretty. Use your other hand to support. This one is more, this primary 2 is more difficult. Sorry guys, yes, this primary 2 is more difficult than the primary 1. If you want to know the primary 1 video, as I said before, I get the video. It's on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. All you need is just go and check. It's titled primary 1 pretty. So that one is very easy. The reason I always show people different way, in case you don't get where to sit down, you don't have anywhere to place your fabric on the event, so you can as well learn the primary 2 how to do this front pleating. So when you know how to do the primary 1, primary 2, you are set to go. Okay, you divide this measurement. The measurement of this gele is 50-50. I divide it into 50-50. You need equal. So you cross it at the back. Once you cross it at the back, now we are going to create the rows on top. Before that, you use your finger to adjust any line that is not straight, because this front pleating is very important, very important for Gele head wrap. This front pleating, you must let it be straight and look nice. Make sure you set it up before you continue any hairstyle you want to create. Okay guys, I so much appreciate every one of you for checking on me. Yes, this channel, in case you want to learn as well how to do makeup, you have many videos of how to do makeup. Okay, you see what I'm doing? I'm just twisting. Make sure you twist it to the forward, don't twist it back. If you are twisting, if you twist it to the back, everything will loose. If you twist it to the front, it will stay more tight. Okay guys, so now we are going to raise the both twisting, then we are going to create that rolls. We are going to create that nice rolls on our head. Okay, you can place your rolls at the side, you can place your rolls at the middle, any side you decide that suits your face. Me, I always like to place it on my side, because on my side it fits me more, but you will not decide for yourself which side suits you more, one side that fits you more. Now we are going to create the rows now. So we have different way we create rows. Okay, now you knot it very hard. Make sure your glue is very firm. Yes, my people, you knot it. After you knot it, you take the shorter one, which is the shorter one. Use one part to cover your back, because anytime you observe that your hair is not nice at the back, always have that idea to reserve material for you to cover the back. Especially like now I'm doing rows. You can use the both sides. Once you knot it to create rows, you can still use one part to create rows. If you see that your hair is very nice for back, you can use the two to create rows for front. But because my hair is not nice, I cannot leave it open. The back is important as well. That is the reason I have to consider to cover the back, because even one part like this, one side is enough for me to create my rows. Yes, it's enough for me to create my rows. Guys, always check on me. Okay, right now we are going to fold the rows. We have different way. This way is what I call that is very easy. Just take it to the back. You bring it to the front. When you reach the front, you now use your pin to pin the end parts where the fabric ends. Okay, in case you want to book me for your event, I base here in United Kingdom, but I'm available to travel all over the world. I am in London. My people, please try and book me for your event. May God give you celebration so that you will remember Tech Beauty. Yes, so that is the end. I will now use pin to pin the end parts. Then you will now position your rose the way you want it. You lift it up, you bring it down, you set it up. Yes, so Gele is very easy. It's very easy. Yes, rose already. You now lift it up and set it to your taste. Set it to your taste. If you want to know how to apply makeup step by step, these days there's one video I make on my Facebook. I was on live on my Facebook. I teach Jen how to do smoking eyeshadow. Guys, go and watch that video on my Facebook. Smoky eyeshadow. The makeup was so nice. Go and watch that video. In case you are watching me from Facebook, from YouTube, and in case you are watching me from Facebook, you know never watch that video. Go and watch the video. That video is very helpful. Okay, guys, this is the final. As you can see, right now you can position it to any part you want. Yes, so this is the final. Please don't forget to drop your comment for me. YouTube, please drop your comment for me as you finish watching this video. Facebook, drop your comment for me and hit the like button. Now you push it back, and your Gele is ready. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to contact me for your event. We do makeup, we do Gele, we do traditional bridal hair, we do photo shoot like this in United Kingdom, London. I'm available to travel all over the world. Yes, so thank you. See you on my next video. My number is there with that green color.